lived a bird unlike any other. It had 2 heads, but only 1 body. For years, the 2 heads lived together peacefully. But one day, a single fruit sparked an argument between them, an argument that would change their lives forever. One morning, the bird was flying beside a river. Suddenly, one of the heads spotted a strange golden fruit floating on the water. It looked delicious. The head quickly grabbed the fruit and took a bite. His eyes widened.
This is the sweetest fruit I have ever tasted.
The other head became excited. Let me taste it too. But the first head shook his beak.
No.
The second head was surprised. No? The first head laughed.
Why should I share? Whatever I eat goes into our stomach. You will enjoy it anyway.
The second head felt hurt. We may share one body, but we are still 2 individuals. The first head ignored him. Then he gave the rest of the fruit to his mate. The second head watched silently. But deep inside, anger began to grow. Days passed, yet the insult was not forgotten. Then, one afternoon, the second head noticed a bright red fruit hanging from a nearby tree. It looked beautiful. Just as he was about to eat it, the first head shouted,
Stop! I've seen that fruit before. It's poisonous.
The second head smiled. For the first time, it wasn't a friendly smile. So now you care about me?
Of course I do,
cried the first head.
If you eat that fruit, we'll both suffer.
But the second head's anger had blinded him. When I wanted a single bite of your fruit, you refused. Now, it's my turn to choose. Before the first head could stop him, the second head swallowed the fruit. For a moment, nothing happened. Then, the bird began to tremble. Its wings grew weak. Its vision blurred. The poison spread through their shared body. The second head finally realized his mistake. The first head looked at him sadly, but it was too late. Within moments, the bird fell from the sky and never flew again. All because one head chose selfishness and the other chose revenge. When those who are connected fight each other, everyone loses.